So apart from this, we have again big announcement to give. That is, I'm sorry. Till now, VWise were actually speaking about blockchain and cryptocurrencies, or else we can say till now whatever we have spoken about was just cryptocurrency, cryptocurrency, cryptocurrency. People have actually not seen the technology and the reason why this industry is booming up. See, there has to be a reason why technology is booming up. It is just because it is easy to trade, it is highly volatile, and it's very clear. The higher the risk, the more returns. It's very simple. There's a formula which is given in good books. Transfer of funds. These banks are actually now the international banks are actually looking out for the platform for the fund transfer without using SWIFT, because SWIFT charges are too high. Many banks have actually started using Ripple. Ripple is again a blockchain-based cryptocurrency. Now there's something unique what we have to declare now. We have taken over 100% stake of Summit Wealth Management AG. AG is basically a public limited company entity in Zug, that's Switzerland. And there are three reasons basically to take over this company. The first one is, next. Okay, the first one. See, till now, you have heard us speaking of that we will be adhering to AML laws, we will be adhering to the KYC law norms, but there was no jurisdiction. There is no person to report. So yes, we are proud to announce we have a principal or a headmaster of our school, that is Arif. By purchasing this company, by basically you can say by taking over this company, we are a registered member of Arif, and Arif is a self-regulating body which actually caters to the money laundering acts and the KYC norms. So yes, we have a body on our head whom we have to report, and that's the registration certificate. So next, what we have? Yeah, and apart from that, Summit Wealth Management is a company which is actually into a wealth management and investment portfolio handling for HNI clients, for elite clients of Switzerland and other nationality also. So yes, we have got licenses to handle the investment portfolio of people. This is, just go back. This is our RF registration number. No, not that Arif. Let's go to the next one. This is the takeover of the 100% shares, you can say the stake of the company by me, and by me in the sense the Money Trade Coin Group. Okay, the next one what we have is, okay, in Dubai, recently on 17th September, we had a grand launch at the Hotel Burj Al Arab in the presence of His Excellency Sheikh Saqr. We are actually working on the licensing over there, and soon we will be having our trading platform live in a couple of days, you can say. And that would be named as MTCX Oasis. That will be Dubai. So this is something about Dubai. Yes, I would like to tell you what exactly are the activities going to happen in this. This is going to be a wallet services for the people of GCC. Basically, a person who wants to purchase a cryptocurrency, first he has to purchase Money Trade Coin, that is MTC, through his banking channel, and then exchange this to whatever cryptocurrency they want. The reason why our wallet cannot be opened without the KYC. Other cryptocurrencies wallet can be opened. So now GCC, especially the UAE, they are very much strict about the KYC and the AML laws. So this is the basic reason. Now, once this company is in work, like is under process, like sorry, the license is under process, and once this goes working in next couple of days, any person in UAE. Oh, that's the news for me. License is ready. So that means we have to play. Okay. So basically, after having this company incorporated, people have to basically route themselves through Money Trade Coin to get into any of the cryptocurrency. That means no one will be able to use their cash to purchase cryptocurrency in GCC. It has to be through a banking channel and proper legal entries of a person who's actually making a wallet and who's actually trading it. So this is all about Dubai. The next company what we have in India is Flintstone Technologies Private Limited. Now, this company is actually going to be, basically is going to act as a wallet services in India. And see, till today, the RBI is not clear about the cryptocurrencies. But one thing is for sure, our legal team is given us a, one sec. Our legal team in India has given a clear advice that if the cryptocurrency wallet is used only for the Indian people and restricted to the Indian jurisdiction, then there is no problem at all. So basically, if you want to purchase a cryptocurrency and store it in your wallet, or you can say, today if, example, I'm just setting an example with Bitcoin, because right now Money Trade Coin is too small to speak on the examples part, but definitely yes, with all the blessings, next year we will be giving examples of Money Trade Coin. If you talk about Bitcoin, Bitcoin's value today is around 3.5 lakh. It was around 80,000 rupees before, I think, 5 months. When we started this whole concept, I remember it was a soft launch in Dubai. It was around 80,000. Now it's 3.5 lakhs. So a person who actually invested in Bitcoin and purchased that time, and there's a very popular, or you can say famous blockchain wallet in India, that is ZapPay. If a person normally would have invested 80,000 rupees and purchased one Bitcoin, today his Bitcoin wallet value is around 3.5 lakh. Sorry. Same way, this company is going to be a wallet service for Money Trade Coin and Bitcoin. We'll be having two cryptocurrencies wallet in this. Same platform as per the RBI norms what have been directed till now. A person can purchase this cryptocurrency or Bitcoin only through banking channel. They have to register through their Aadhaar card and PAN card, give their KYC documents, it will be verified for 3 days. And after verifying this with their bank accounts and everything, they will be able to use and access the wallets. Yes, if they want to purchase a cryptocurrency, the funds have to be transferred from the same account. None other accounts will be allowed. And if they want to sell their cryptocurrency and get the money back, will be sent to that account only. It will be only single account attached to a single person's wallet. The last company what I want to speak with you is about Money Trade Coin Club Private Limited. Again, this is going to be on the same platform. The only difference would be the Flintstone Technologies Private Limited will be actually catering with two cryptocurrencies. One is Bitcoin and second is Money Trade Coin. Whereas this company will be actually catering only with Money Trade Coin. This will have only a single wallet, not multi-currency wallets. Again, in this, people can buy, sell, or hold. That's it. If you want to trade, you have to go on the exchanges and trade for that. This is all about the companies, what we have. The last is Bahrain.
Bahrain already, the government, the highness is ready, is license ready. He need you go there soon. Alhamdulillah, this is all from Bhagwan, from Allah. This, he is everything going very, very good with the meat. God bless you, beta. Thank you.